What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Listen, if you're new to the channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button. Or if you're a returning viewer, because I know there's a lot of you guys that actually do return and watch the videos, so go down there, hit the subscribe button to help out the channel a little bit. Other than that, this is episode 2 of Cooking with Cars. We're going to be doing steak today. I got these little, beef chuck boneless, I don't know, tender steaks. I never heard of this steak before, actually. In all honesty, it was the cheapest one, so I just grabbed it. It was small, so. But I'm gonna go get the seasonings real quick. Alright guys, so we're gonna do basic. We're just gonna be cooking with good old garlic. We're gonna do some good old pepper. And then we're also gonna be just doing Worcestershire sauce. And also just some cayenne pepper, just for a little spice. Alright, I'm gonna season up these guys first. Here, just so underneath gets a little seasoned up. A little pepper. Hey-choo! Okay, that made me sneeze. Next is some cayenne pepper. Also, I got ourselves some olive oil here. We're just gonna spread on the paper. Also, go comment down below and just say like what you want me to see cooked. Anything, it can be bizarre, it can be, I don't know, anything small to large. So just comment down below what you guys think you want to see, just so I can put that into the future episodes. Alright guys, so here's the steaks. They're all done, all being done seasoned at least. So what I'm going to do is just wrap these up, and then we're going to go bring it back to the car, and we'll start cooking them up. Alright, here's our grill. And what we're going to do here is, I came a little more prepared today. I put little forks up so I can grab them that way. Ooh, looks like something, I don't know. So we're gonna put her right here. And we're gonna see how these cook. So she's in place, she's right on the header. She's tucked in. I have my little forks here I can grab when she's done cooking. So I'm not burning my fingers off like last time. But yeah, let's start her up and we'll get her start to cook. Alright, so we're gonna start driving and probably just for like 10-15 minutes. Woof, I smell a steak cooking in there. Let's go check it out. Oh, I hear sizzling in there. Alright, it's just hot. Yeah, it's a little hot, but alright, let me put the camera down and get this thing out. That's hot. Oh. Oh. I wish I just burnt myself because it's still on me a little bit. Well, I feel foolish because the camera wasn't even recording the entire time. But here's your steak. We got a nice chop here. Oh god, the stand will hold up. All right. So what I got here is I believe I got more. It's a well done. It's like very close to medium well, but she's well done. Which, like as I was just about saying to the camera until I realized that I wasn't recording anymore. It was just sitting there. I didn't really mean to take the one road, because usually it's not busy, so if I had to turn around, I would just turn around. But there was actually a lot of traffic on that road today, so it was actually a lot busier and I couldn't just turn around, so I had to take like maybe a 15-minute drive in total. 15-20 minutes actually. So she came out a little well done, but she still tastes good. Nice a little spicy. Garlic taste. Right, the juice inside this thing here, I don't know where I I don't know where I left off at video recording, but this is what it looks like inside of it. This is nice juice. Like the juice is actually very spicy tasting. So I picked up the one steak and I put in my mouth and it had a nice spice to it. Nice little spice. Yep, but here's our finished product. It is possible to cook a steak. Maybe we'll probably do this again, probably. But we'll try to get a medium rare. I love medium rare. I don't like medium, I don't like my steak cooked. I like having nice, a little bit of blood in it, a little, a little pink, a little blood, just a little bit of blood. It always tastes good, a little extra juice. And, so we'll try to do that next time. Probably try it for a 6-minute drive. Next time I'll actually time it at 6 minutes. And actually just drive around here. Just drive around in circles. So, other than that, guys, listen. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below. It helps me out and also helps, I'll get the channel out there more. Also, listen, comment down below what you guys want to see cooked. Like I said at the beginning of the video. Comment down below what you want me to cook. It can be bizarre. It can be something small. It can be anything. I don't care. Like I said, I think next video, probably going to do a spaghetti. I want to see if we can boil spaghetti inside a car. Like, I don't know. It seems pretty funny, so if you guys listen, comment down below what you guys want to see. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next one.